Before to finalize this illustration, we need at least to join together these two halves of the tiger, because you can see that one half can be colored by one color and the other half can be colored with a separate color. So at least in order to have a consistent color, you need to join these two halves of the head of the tiger. So you can go to path join, and then you have one single color for the head of the tiger in case you want to apply the image over some colored background. Now you can make a group of the whole tiger, and you can start playing a little with this head in order to create a sort of a logo. Of course, I want to underline that the logo is more than just one head of the tiger retrace and some text. It's a more rich concept. You need to remove lots of detail, you need to stylize many details. But now it's fine like this. I took advantage with the artboard tool in order to create a copy of the tiger, and now I'm taking advantage of the scale tool in order to scale the head of the tiger, but also to scale the stroke thickness in the same time. So just for simplicity's sake, I'm just creating like a sort of a circle. I want to have like a black background. I want to set underlay, but now I see that this black background doesn't really make visible the lines, the different thickness of the lines I've done for the head of the tiger. So I'm not happy with this. Maybe it's better to have a white circle and a black stroke, and that's it. Very simple, very easy. And now it is time to add some text. I've already added the text. I'm duplicating. You can see the text, it's in a box. You can select the text using the T tool, and then you can change the font and the size. Here I want to show you something a little more rich, a little more complex. I want to have the text which follow a circular shape around the head of the tiger. So I'm getting the type of on path tool, I'm pasting the text, and then using those strange lines, I want to have the text that stays inside the circle, and I want to position the text inside the circle in order to fit better the size of the logo. So you need to drag all those little sticks. Sometimes I get confused and I drag the circle instead of the marker of the text. Okay, you need to be really careful. One is the beginning of the text, one is the end of the text. Okay, this seems to be too large. I want to adjust a little the size of the text. Okay, I need to center the text better and reduce it. And then I need to recenter again in order to fit better the overall logo. So again, this is not an actual logo. Again, the head of the tiger should be much more stylized. There are too many details, but just for our goal of the hotel logo exercise, this is more than enough. I hope this is clear enough, and see you next.